The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is already making waves in the tech community, even though its release is still a while away. As the next flagship in Samsung's lineup, there are high expectations and a lot of speculation about what this new device will bring to the table. Frequent leakers have shared a few insights, unveiling key features that have generated a mix of excitement and disappointment among fans. Let's take a closer look at the major leaks surrounding the Galaxy S25 Ultra. One of the most significant upgrades expected for the Galaxy S25 Ultra is the system-on-chip. According to Digital Chat Station, a frequent and reliable leaker, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset. This information, shared on the Chinese social media platform Weibo, suggests that Samsung will continue its partnership with Qualcomm to power its flagship devices. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 is anticipated to focus on energy efficiency thanks to its advanced 3nm process node by TSMC, offering improved battery life and performance. This chipset is also expected to include the Adreno 750 GPU, which promises high performance with lower power consumption. Another area where the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to shine is its camera setup. Rumors suggest a significant overhaul, with the phone potentially featuring a quad-lens rear camera system. This setup could include a 200-megapixel primary camera, a 50-megapixel super telephoto camera, a secondary 50-megapixel telephoto camera, and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera. This comprehensive camera system is designed to cater to all photography needs, from wide-angle shots to detailed zoom images. The inclusion of both mid-focus and periscope lenses indicates that Samsung is serious about providing top-notch zoom capabilities, with 3x and 5x magnification options. Despite the advancements in other areas, the battery and charging specifications of the Galaxy S25 Ultra have been a source of disappointment for many fans. Ice Universe, another well-known leaker, has reported that the S25 Ultra will retain the same 5,000 mAh battery and 45-watt fast charging as its predecessor, the S24 Ultra. This information was shared on Twitter, and it has not been well received by the tech community. While a 5,000 mAh battery is decent, many were hoping for a larger capacity, especially given that competitors like Asus are offering 5,500 mAh batteries, and some Chinese brands have even reached 6,000 mAh. Digital Chat Station has also pointed out that many Chinese brands are leading the way with 6,000 mAh batteries and fast charging speeds of up to 100 watts. This competitive landscape makes Samsung's decision to stick with the same battery and charging specs for several generations seem conservative. However, it's worth noting that Samsung's approach could be driven by a focus on safety and reliability, especially considering the infamous battery issues with the Galaxy Note 7. While the internal specifications might not see dramatic changes, the design of the Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to undergo a significant transformation. Ice Universe has hinted that the S25 Ultra will feature a more rounded and thinner design, reminiscent of the Galaxy Note 7. This departure from the boxy, sharp-edged design that has characterized recent Galaxy Ultra models could make the S25 Ultra more comfortable to hold and use. This change in design is likely aimed at enhancing the overall user experience, making the phone easier to handle despite its large size. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, which is expected to power the Galaxy S25 Ultra, brings a mixed bag of performance improvements. According to leaks shared by Digital Chat Station and Ice Universe, the new chipset will offer significant improvements in GPU performance, thanks to the Adreno 750 GPU. This GPU is expected to deliver performance comparable to MediaTek's powerful Dimensity 9300, but with half the power consumption. This focus on energy efficiency should help improve battery life, even if the battery capacity remains unchanged. However, the CPU performance gains are expected to be minimal. Leakers suggest only a single-digit improvement in CPU performance compared to the current Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. This has led some, including a tipster on Twitter, known as -1hero, to recommend waiting for the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5. which is expected to offer more substantial CPU performance improvements. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to keep that hefty $1,300 price tag. The phone is expected to be officially unveiled in the first quarter of 2025. The powerful Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset and advanced camera system are likely to attract many users, while the unchanged battery and charging specs might leave others looking elsewhere. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for real-time updates and exclusive insights.